Hello everyone, welcome to ASTECH. In our channel, we will show some tricks and tips. So watch this video until the very end.
So you don't make any mistake in this process. So guys, I am using Photoshop version 222 and here you can see I have downloaded some of the pictures for you to show you that how you can easily removing the background of these pictures. So first of all, you have to press W from your keyboard so it is automatically selecting the object. I simply copy the selecting area by pressing Crtl C from my keyboard and Crtl V on the layer panel to copy the selecting area, and then I remove this. So you can see I easily remove the background of this picture, but sometimes you need to use another tools. Every picture is not like this, so you have to use another method. So now we go for our second picture, and here you can see I have a second picture. I have to go for options, and here you can see there are three options. If I select this option, quick selection tool, and as you can see, so I have to select this, and you can see software is easily selecting my object. For example, if your selecting area go outside from your object, you simply have to press Alt from your keyboard, and as you can see my selecting area is now look perfect. And I can also do that on hairs as well. And now you have to press select and mask. As you can see on the right side here, I have some options like radius, and I can smooth the borders of my picture, feather, and also contrast. So now my picture looks so cool, and then I have to go there by selecting this option output setting and create here new layer. So it looks much better, but due to the time I will make another tutorial for you guys to completely refine your subject. Now I have to go for another image. So here is also another picture of a cute girl. Now I can remove the background of her by using pen tool. So now I select my object by using pen tool. You can select any picture, any object from your image by using pen tool. Pen tool is the best option because pen tool can select anything in any image. Now I have to press right key of my mouse and click make selection. So now you can see my object is selected, and now I have to simply copy it and then Ctrl V. So now my background is removed. So now we go for our fourth image, and here you can see I have some shapes and I will use shape tool. So I have to select this option and create the outline, and here you can see I can easily copy it from Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now I have only this shape. Similarly, if I want this circle shape, so I have to select circle and simply Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and here is my circle. So guys, this is the quick and different ways of removing background from your image and any object you want from the image. So now I will tell you that how you can remove your background by using AI website BG remover, and it will remove your background simply by using AI technology. So this is also a quick method for you.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support. Like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next one.